I wanted to give you another walk around of the Sawgrass Point RV spots. The Butlers have improved this place so much. They've constantly been putting money into it, making it better for people like us who come down to Steinhatchee with an RV and our boat for scalloping season and many other events. But I'm gonna give you a walk around. They've added 2 more spots, 2 more RV sites, and they've also added in and fixed up their 3rd dock. So now there are 3 docks here on site. There's not a bad view in the place at all, and I hope that you guys give them a shout if you're heading down this way with an RV. We will start with spot 1. This is where we are this year. Last year we were in spot 2. As you can see, the RV is right here by this dock. In this little hangout area, they added in 4 fans, 2 at each corner, and they also added in some lighting up here for this year. Dock is still just as beautiful as ever. This is the main river on the Steinhatchee. There's ample docking up here for your boat, and we've got a couple of crab traps tied off of the side. There's plenty of crabs. My son caught a beautiful redfish last night. This was here last year, but this was the restroom and shower that they have on site. This is site 2 right here. I'm just going to call this dock number 2. So, a beautiful view here in the morning and the evening. It's fully shaded. There's a cleaning table over here. They've added in more fans to keep the flies off of you while you're trying to clean your scallops or your fish. And you can see this is another dock here. This is on the canal side, so this isn't on the main river, so it stays out of all the boat traffic waves and wakes. This is a parking area right here. This is site 3. They also have a rental camper that they can rent out. I think this site holds up to 30 feet. They've got a fridge freezer up there, an ice machine, washer and dryer, and some cool kids. This is site 4. Has sewer, power, and everything else. And this is what they've added this year. So this is site 2B right here, and you have site 1B. So this site, you'll angle in your RV this way. Same thing, it's got sewer, full power hookups. And then this one, you'll actually pull in from this way. Oh, brand new ramp. He redid the ramp entirely, so it's got a nice gradual sweep all the way out into the canal. Plenty deep enough to put a big boat in as well. Look at this, even got a water hose right here ready to go to spray your boat off when you pull it out. And our boat over there, we've got the trolling motor charging. There's an outlet right here. It's like a 50-foot extension cord, and there's power on the dock, so you don't have to worry about pulling it out to charge your batteries. And this is dock, I'm gonna call it number 3. This one was, you couldn't even get on it last year because it was messed up from Helene still. But they've got a big stainless cleaning area, 4 fans, and some lighting under here. Little picnic table, some Adirondack chairs. It's just a beautiful view. There really is not a bad view on this piece of property. This is a gorgeous place. It might be just a campground, but the owners are some of the nicest people I've ever met in my life. And I'm not just saying that because I'm staying here, because we're already trying to book for next year. They are just so nice, and they genuinely care what you think about the property, and they want to make sure that everybody gets a chance to enjoy this. If you're ever in Steinhatchee, please give this place a try. It's so beautiful. It's just gorgeous all around. There's not a bad view, and the owners are just genuinely extremely nice. They care about what you think. They care about making sure that you enjoy your time here. We have not had a single hiccup. This is our 2nd year here. Like I said, we're trying to book already for next year, so hopefully we can get in and get our spot 1 back again, but we'll see. Oh, and you can't forget the little cookout area that they have right here. Still have the grill. Looks like some type of press up there. Another little table. It's the boat ramp area. And again, this is site 1 here, site 2. 3 is under the covered area there. 4 is right here where this white car is. 2B is back here by this dock. And 1B is over here by this.